Hi everyone. Already we dealt with the concept of moment. Moment is nothing but rotational effect caused by a force, rotational or turning effect caused by a force about a particular point. And mathematically, it may also defined as force into perpendicular distance. Okay, already we have seen some of the examples also in previous session, and now we'll solve some of the numerical problems on moment, and also we know the unit of moment is nothing but Newton meter. So that by solving these particular problems, you'll get much familiarized with the regarding the concept of moments. Okay, now we'll take a problem. Uh, Find the moment of force 10 Newton about the moment center A, and the question is corresponding figure is here my A is my moment center. The question is find moment of force 10 Newton. This is 10 Newton acting at the point B about the moment center A. About the moment center A. A is my moment center. Now I need to find moment of this particular 10 Newton force about A and B are separated by a distance of 3 meter, and 10 Newton is purely vertical force which is acting at a point B. And as I know that technically or mathematically, moment can be defined as force into perpendicular distance, or it is the perpendicular distance is nothing but distance from moment center to the line of action of force. It's nothing but this is the distance, perpendicular distance. So which means if force is vertical, perpendicular distance is nothing but horizontal distance between moment center and line of application of force. If force is horizontal, it is the distance between moment center and line of action of force in vertical direction. That is a very important thing we need to consider. Okay, coming to this particular problem, 10 Newton is the force which acts downward direction, and it's a 100% vertical force. So moment of 10 Newton force about A is force is 10 Newton, and distance between AB is 3 meter, and this is nothing but a perpendicular distance because 10 Newton is 100% vertical force. So I need perpendicular horizontal difference between A and B. Perpendicular horizontal distance between A and B is 3 meter. So moment about A of the force 10 Newton is 10 into 3 is nothing but 30 Newton meter. Newton is the unit of force, meter is the unit of perpendicular distance. Now one more thing come into picture, whether it is a plus or minus, whether it is a clockwise or anti-clockwise. We are treating clockwise movement as a positive, anti-clockwise movement as a negative. For that I need to check whether this 10 Newton will cause clockwise or anti-clockwise about A. Fixing a point at A, if I apply 10 Newton, it will rotate in complete the entire system in clockwise direction. So moment about A is nothing but plus 10 into 3, 30 Newton meter, and it can be also represented as 30 Newton meter with this symbol. This symbol indicates the moment is clockwise direction. Now in the same problem, it is not mentioned moment about B is nothing but the force starts or converge or diverge from point B itself. So for moment about B is force into perpendicular distance. When point starts or diverges or converges from a particular point, there is no perpendicular distance. So 10 into 0, which is equal to 0. Moment about B is nothing but which is equal to 0. Now same problem I will take. Here the difference is again A is my moment center, 3 meter is the difference between A and B, but the force acts vertically upward direction, same 10 Newton. So again here moment about A is nothing but 10 into 3 because force is vertical direction, perpendicular horizontal distance is 3 meter, but the changes here is moment of force 10 Newton about A is nothing but in anti-clockwise direction. Fixed point at A, it will rotate in 10 Newton will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So moment about A is minus 10 into 3 minus 30 Newton meter, or I can represent by 30 Newton meter with the anti-clockwise symbol. So no need to mention again here minus. If I mention again minus, it indicates minus 30 Newton meter anti-clockwise. So it is nothing but minus of anticlockwise is nothing but a positive indicate. So when you represent by symbol, no need to indicate by this minus symbol. So it's only 30 Newton meter. As mentioned in the earlier problem, moment about B is 10 into 0, which is equal to 0. Okay, we'll go to another problem now. Find the moment of force 20 Newton about the point O. Here, in previous case, the force was 100% vertical. Here, the force is 100% horizontal. Moment about O is required for me. Moment about O is required for me. A is my at A force of 20 Newton is applied. A horizontal force of 20 Newton is applied. The vertical difference between O and A is 4 meter. So, moment about O is given by force is nothing but 20 Newton. Moment is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is nothing but perpendicular. Force is horizontal. Perpendicular distance is nothing but distance between moment center and line of action of force in vertical direction. If force is horizontal, if force is vertical, take perpendicular horizontal distance. If force is horizontal, take perpendicular vertical difference between moment center and line of action of force. It is nothing but 4 meter. So moment about O is 20 into 4 clockwise or anti-clockwise. Fix the point at A, it will rotate in anti-clockwise or clockwise. It is nothing but anti-clockwise direction. So it will be moment about O is minus 20 into 4 minus 80 Newton meter. Now same problem, I will reverse the direction here. O difference between O and A is 4 meter. Force is acting towards rightward direction, positive rightward direction. So moment about O here will be 20 into 4. It remain as it is, but it is in clockwise direction. Moment about O is plus 20 into 4 plus 80 Newton meter. Okay, we'll go one more problem. Find moment of force 20 Newton above point A. In previous problem also there is a note, they didn't mention about moment center, but they mentioned about point O. So O is my moment center. Here coming to this particular problem, I need to find moment of 20 Newton force about A. In previous two problem, force was in first problem force was vertical, second problem force was horizontal. In this case force is inclined. I need to find moment of this force about point A. A is my moment center. Difference between A and B is 5 meter. So when force is inclined, here force is inclined, 20 Newton force is inclined, which makes 30 degree with respect to horizontal. When force is inclined, first step is to find moment, resolve the forces into corresponding x-axis and horizontal axis. X-axis, horizontal axis and vertical axis, which means resolve it. You know already how to resolve. So here I have 20 Newton force which is converging towards B. So I need to resolve into horizontal and vertical component. This is nothing but 20 cos 30 because 30 degree makes with respect to x-axis. So this component is 20 cos 30 and again 30 degrees with respect to x-axis, other component is 20 sin 30. Both the forces are converging towards B because this force is converging towards B. Now once after resolving these two forces, find moment about A. For that, first consider any one of the force. As I have here, I will consider first as 20 sin 30. 20 sin 30 is purely vertical force acting downward direction. I need moment about A. So moment of this 20, just forget about 20 cos 30. Just moment of this 20 sin 30 about A is 20 sin 30 is 100% vertical force. When force is vertical, I need perpendicular horizontal distance between A and B. Perpendicular horizontal distance between A and B, horizontal difference I need. So A and B horizontal difference is 5 meter. So 20 sin 30 into 5. So plus or minus about A is required. So it will rotate in clockwise direction. So 20 sin 30 into 5. Now 20 sin 30 job is completed. Just forget about 20 sin 30. I will go to 20 cos 30. 20 cos 30 is 100% horizontal force. So when force is horizontal, now about a moment is required. I need perpendicular vertical difference between A and B. So perpendicular vertical difference between A and B is 0. In fact, A and B are in same level. So 20 cos 30 into 0. You can use here plus or minus, because 2 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0 equal to 2. 2 minus 0, which is equal to also 2. So any symbol I can use here, not an issue. So final answer works out to be 50 Newton meter. Okay. Now we'll solve one more problem. Find moment of 60 Newton about the point B. Sorry, this is the problem. This is my B. Difference between this is nothing but 5 meter. Difference, this horizontal difference. This is nothing but 3 meter. At a force of 60 Newton acting at an angle of 30 degrees with respect to horizontal. So first step, when force is, I need moment about this particular point. I need moment about this particular point. When force is given with respect to some inclination, first step, resolve it into two components. It will be the force of 60 Newton is converging towards point A. So other two force also converges, horizontal and vertical force. So and which makes an angle 30 degree with respect to x axis or horizontal axis. So which means x component of force will be 60 cos 30, y component will be 60 sin 30. So I have already resolved. Now I need to find moment of this particular two forces separately about point B. Now coming to the first force, I will consider first force as 60 sin 30. So 60 sin 30 is 100% vertical force. Perpendicular horizontal difference between A and B is required. So when force is vertical, perpendicular horizontal difference. Perpendicular horizontal difference between A and B is nothing but 5 meter. So 60 sin 30 into 5, 60 sin 30 into 5, and it is plus or minus. Fixed point at A, if I apply 60 cos sin 30 force downward direction, it will rotate in clockwise direction. So it will be plus, and second one will be second, just forget about 60 sin 30. I will go to second force, so called 60 cos 30. So 60 cos 30 is 100% horizontal force. When force is horizontal, I need perpendicular vertical difference between A and B. Perpendicular vertical difference between A and B is 3 meter. So 60 cos 30 into 3 is the moment, and it will cause, we'll see whether it is cos anti-clockwise or clockwise direction. So 60 cos 30 acting towards this direction. So it will cause, it will rotate the entire system in anti-clockwise direction. Fix a point at B and apply force at A, so it will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise moments are negative, so entire answer works out to be minus 5.88 Newton meter. Okay, thank you.